Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 9.2 of Chapter 9, Differential Equations, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 9.2 verifies solutions. 10 given functions, explicit and implicit, are differentiated and substituted into their differential equations, plus 2 multiple choice on arbitrary constants. Here they are. Question 1. An exponential plus 1 against a second-order equation. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Differentiate twice. The constant vanishes immediately. Substitute, e to the x minus e to the x is 0. Question 2. A quadratic family with constant c. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. One derivative kills c. Substitute into the equation. Question 3. Shifted cosine. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Differentiate. Substitute, minus sign plus sign. Question 4. A root function against a product form. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Differentiate the root and rebuild the right side. The right side, x times y over 1 plus x squared is x root over the bracket, exactly y prime. Question 5. The family of lines through the origin. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. One derivative. X times a is a x, which is y. Question 6. A product solution with a root on the right. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Product rule, then substitute and simplify the root. On the right, the root of x squared minus x squared sine squared is x cosine x in magnitude. Both sides match. Question 7. An implicit solution. Differentiate the relation as it stands. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Product rule left, chain rule right. Collect y prime, exactly the claimed quotient. Question 8. Another implicit relation. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Differentiate and multiply through. Substitute x from the original relation into the bracket. It becomes y times 1 plus sine y, and the identity follows. Question 9. Inverse tangent on the right of the relation. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Differentiate and clear the fraction. Expand and collect, exactly the required equation. Question 10, the last verification. The upper semicircle. Differentiate as often as needed, substitute, and watch both sides agree. Differentiate the root. Substitute, y times its derivative is minus x, canceling the leading x. Question 11, multiple choice. Constants in a general solution. One constant per order. A general solution carries as many arbitrary constants as the order. 4. Option D. Question 12, the final one, multiple choice. Particular solutions this time. Particular means every constant is fixed. A particular solution has all constants assigned specific values. 0 arbitrary constants remain. Option D. That completes exercise 9.2. In the next video, we will take up exercise 9.3 on differential equations with variables separable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.